To prepare a quote, first use the menu system to navigate to the Quotes module within Order Management. Once there, you can see the list of existing quotes with their quote numbers, subjects, related account names, status, and values in different currencies. Click in the shortcuts to create a new quote. Set a subject. You can link it to an opportunity. Each quote has a stage, a valid until date, which you can set manually or will be set automatically once you set the terms. Now let's go set the account for this quote. Once we choose it, notice it copies in all the related fields for both bill to and ship to, and we can choose a contact at that account as well. We can relate a purchase order number. We can set the currency to any currency currently supported in the system. Choose a shipping provider. Is the quote tax exempt or not? Now, each quote is divided into a series of different groups. So if we name this group and add a line item to this group, we can choose it from our set of products. We can add another line item. In this case, a more expensive product, so perhaps we'd best have two of those. We can define discounts either at the line item level or at the group level. So in this case, we'll choose a standard discount as defined in the Discounts module and set one for this first line item, and then choose a different standard discount and assign it to this line item. We can also add assemblies to quotes, which are complex products. Or we can add comments to provide more information on the PDF for our clients. We can define if shipping is taxed or not, and we can set a shipping charge. And now we have the total value of our quotation. We have options for the PDF to be printed as to how much information is to be included on them. Now we can save our quote. We can also convert our quote to a sales order, invoice, opportunity, or products to be attached to the related account. But just for now, let's create a PDF. We can generate it directly to our desktop or as an attachment to an email we wish to send. In this case, I will save the quote PDF to the desktop, and having saved it, we'll open it and drag it into our view here so you can see it. Notice the More Info comment, the bill to and ship to addresses, the line items, and so on. Note that there are a lot of administrator options that relate to quote preparation. If we look here in Admin Company Info, we can see in the Order Management settings the choice of different layouts for the PDF to be generated. When new products are added as line items, should the product description be added as a comment line underneath? Is shipping typically taxed by default or not? Do we need quote approvals? And if we do, are they needed only above a certain threshold value of the quotation or below a certain threshold percentage of margin? Do we typically show the list prices by default on the PDF to be generated? What prefixes and numbering schemes shall be used on the quotes, invoices, purchase orders, sales orders, and so on to be generated by the system? What logo should be used on the PDFs to be generated? Are there any standard terms and conditions to be put in the footer of the quotes and invoices? Are there one or more standard addresses for the organization to be put up at the top of the quotes and invoices? In addition, these 4 checkboxes provide close control over the permissions of each user as regards generating quotes and invoices. Can the user create products that are not already present in the catalog? Can the user set prices on his quotes and invoices that are different from the standard prices in the catalog? Can the user set arbitrary discounts, or can the user even apply the standard discounts as defined in the system? All these options contribute to a very flexible set of permissions within the quotation preparation process.